Hello everyone and welcome to the Create an Event tutorial. This is an admin exclusive feature, so we're going to go ahead and get right into things. We're going to land into this overview page initially, and we have a couple helpful buttons here at the bottom. We can click this schedule button because that's the one we're interested in for creating an event, so click schedule. Then we have a new event button down here in the bottom right. We click that. We have a couple of event types up here, so we can say let's create a match event type. All of these event types are essentially the same. They just show up as different events in the calendar. However, there's a slight caveat with the physio event types, which I'll get into. So if we create, let's say, match versus Meath in the location of County Meath, and we set a date, let's say this Sunday, and a start time 6 o'clock with the duration. This is how long the event will last. We set 2 hours. That's automatically calculated for you. We set a description, bring your metal studs, and we can set a max players, let's say 21. So everything without a star doesn't have to be filled in. You can see a little star here for date and for title. So we could leave max players empty, we could leave description empty, but the stuff with a star absolutely has to be filled in. So let's go ahead and create this match event. We get a little alert there. We can go into this Sunday and see our match versus Meath. So we can see all the event info that we filled in there, and athletes can go in here and say that they're going to be attending, injured, unavailable, etc. Then on the day of the event, we click this Take Attendance button, and we can just check off whoever said that they were attending if they are or are not attending on the day. We can also delete an event, so let's go ahead and delete this event. And that event is now gone. Finally, for physio events, it's slightly different. We have this slot duration button. So this basically means that if we set it to 20 minutes, athletes can book 20-minute time slots between the start time. So let's say 6 o'clock for 2 hours. We can see that it starts at 6, ends at 8 with 20-minute slot durations. So there will be 20-minute increments from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock that an athlete can book. We can see this in use if we go into a physio event that's already made. We can see that it starts at 9 o'clock, finishes at 12 with 20-minute slot durations. And we can see that the system automatically calculates all of these different slots. So an athlete can come in and say, oh, I want the 20 past 9 slot, and click there and book that time slot. And you can see that on your end if you go into this event. So that's everything for creating an event. If you need any more help, be sure to check out the rest of the YouTube channel. And best of luck with using MySilo.